When conserving books, sometimes we need to guard each page, which can lead to a spine that is thicker than the front edge. Another challenge that may arise when conserving books is that mending can lead to a visually invasive area. One solution to overcome these challenges is making very thin and transparent remoistenable tissue using 2, 5 or 9 gram Tengujo paper. This paper, due to its transparency and thickness, is ideal when you are looking for a non-invasive, non-bulky trimming option. Tengujo paper are highly chemical stable due to their long fibers and the fact that they are made by hand. The downside is that they are mechanically weak due to their light weight. Coating them with adhesive like gelatin, methyl cellulose or paste can increase the strength to a certain degree, but this adhesive can also make the paper fibers rigid and prone to tear, especially during book sewing. In this video, we showcase a coating formulation and methodology that enhance the strength and flexibility of these delicate papers. This kind of remoistenable tissue and our coating formulation are highly advantageous for guarding, mending and lining without being bulky or visually invasive. This tissue and our methodology may be helpful to try it out.